PS4, right now we want to do a quick video, an unboxing on this Proctor Silex here. This is it, a white one here. I had one of these already, but for some reason I don't know exactly what going with it. So I just pick up a small one. The big ones too big for the little small items that I want to cut up on. So I'll get this one try out here. So it's 1.5 cup capacity. See, efficiently chop pulse and stuff there. Custom food textures, pulse control. Let's see. Like it in a different language on this side. And we'll get the basic rundown on this side here. See how everything is. So let's get into it. When I went there, they did have the black and white, but some of the things I buy so far kind of white, so I decided to continue with the trend with the white. I have a mixer and some other stuff white on the counter, so I didn't see the use of going to the black. Normal short cord here, looking like 2 feet, 2.5, 3 if you're lucky there. I don't know why they does make these cords so short, because when plugging in there's always be a distance away. So you can see the full line here. Does it have a minimum line anywhere? Not seen a minimum line, so look like you could put it as low as you could there. Like the blades. We take it off to take a better look at it here. This is the blades here, feeling pretty sharp as I touch it there already. Look like it's a 1/2 inch off of the ground, so at least if you're putting in there, must at least be at least a 1/2 inch off. Have a little cover here to lock. Although it's lucky in here, in order for to make it to spin, it do have a button. I believe the one I had before had a button right here, but this one is just to turn the head. And this is what activates the switch. Have a switch inside of here. So you could hear it kind of clicking, but it is locked here. So you could get out this whole thing. We get this whole thing out. Alright, this is the container to lock in there. Let's switch up inside here, so when you spin it, it does click. Nothing much to talk about on it. All these things pretty basic. Nothing too special. Lock in there. Let's see. Right there it is. Looks like it's easy to clean, so you wouldn't have much issues with cleaning and stuff. Just to pull out, get a quick soap out and stuff, and you're good to go. Yeah, so that's it. TS4 out.